everyone, welcome back to our Facebook page. Today we'll be making some more interesting crafts using different craft items. For that, we have to watch the video till the end. So first we are making a bird using the bushy leaves like this and the leaves. Next, we will make a pineapple using the grasses. For that, we have to take long grasses and then fix them into each other like this. Fix them one by one as shown in the video. Here we are using the mat making method to make the pineapple. Fix them like this. Watch the video very carefully how we are fixing the leaves into each other. Now, after completing it, we will tie it from the top. Keep fixing it one by one as we are making. Do not miss out on any steps, otherwise you won't get the desired result. Fix it on the top like this to collect them into one space like this and then tie them, and your pineapple will be ready. I hope you liked it. Next, we will make a basket. For that, we will take the sticks like this from the tree and then sew them one by one like this. We have to fix them into each other. Fix them in the between first to make its base. Now, we will roll it one by one like this and make the basket. Fix it very properly and watch the video very carefully how we are fixing them. Do not miss out on any stick, otherwise it will get open and it won't get the desired result. Fix it one by one. Watch our video till the end and let us know in the comment section whether you liked it or not and how did you make the other crafts by watching other videos. Now, after we are done, see, we have reached the half place and then we will tie it like this. After that fixing, we will make its handle. Fix it on the top as we have shown in this video. Now close them like this by putting it on the sides. Now taking another stick, we will make its handle. Fix it on the other side like this and your basket is ready. Next, we will make a lion face. For that, we will take a clay like this. Make a ball out of it. Now, we will paste its eyes and nose. Now, we will take the bushy leaves like this and then fix it on the top and put a stick, and it's ready. Next, we'll be making some more interesting crafts. Here we have making a dragonfly. For that, we will take the corn cover like this. Now fold them after fixing it like this one by one. Fold it as we are folding. Watch the video very carefully how we are fixing the leaves. Now roll another corn leaf and fix it on the top. Tie it using a thread and your dragonfly is ready. Next, we'll make a fish using the corn cover. So first we will take the leaves like this and fix them into each other one by one as we are fixing. Watch the video very carefully and watch the technique how we are fixing it to make its body. Tie another sheet over it like this using a thread, cut it from the sides and it's ready.